Good morning, boys and girls. It's Mr. Grable, and time for our grade 3 math class. I'm going to start with a joke today. What is a math teacher's favorite day of the week? Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday. Okay, enough of the jokes. Time to get to work. Here we go. It is time for some new stuff. It's called division. It's basically dividing. It's really just the opposite. Think flip-flop. The opposite of multiplication. So we are on Unit 8, Lesson 5, page 122. Looks like this. Here it is. Page 122. 100, 2 tens, 2 ones. And it's called division as grouping. Okay, so again, we're talking about groups just like multiplication, but it's dividing this time. It's the opposite of multiplication. So our first quick review talks about how many equal groups of 2 are there in 10. Okay, so what does that mean? Well, if you start drawing groups of 2, when do you get to 10? There's a group of 2. There's a group of 2, which is 4, right? There we go, show you. There's a group of 2, there's 6. There's a group of 2, there's 8. And there's a group of 2, 10. So we have the 2's, you can see the 2's there, 2, 2, 2, 2, check. And we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, check. The only thing left to check is how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at it, it's 5. Okay, so basically what that means is 10 divided by 2 is 5. And there you go. That's a quick review. Now we're going to try some questions. Now I know there's some fancy words on one there. It says use counters. So you can use anything you have around there. Blocks, bouncy balls, whatever you have. Find the number of groups and write a division sentence. So divide 12 counters into groups of 3. So basically that means 12 divided by 3. Now, I'm going to show you that right over here. Okay, so I got 12 counters out. I got 12 blocks out. And I made them all in groups of 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer must be 4. There are 4 groups of 3. So let's go back to the board here. And we're going to put our answer. So 12 divided by 3, we found there were 4 groups in each. And usually you'll see it like that, but I have to show you this other crazy way, seeing as we've begun division. Take a look at this. 12 divided by 3, you put the 4 on top. Kind of cool. You'll get used to it. Something new though, something to watch carefully for. Okay, now 2, no, you can try the rest of those. Divide 8 counters into groups of 1 and divide 10 counters into groups of 5. And then you're going to use counters on 2 to make equal groups to divide. So this one, of course, says 15 divided by 5, or 15 divided by 5. Let's check this one out over here. Okay, so we have 15 counters. I got them all out there, red ones this time. Okay, I got 15 there. And I put them in rows of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And guess what 15 divided by 5 is? 1, 2, 3. Got it. Okay. This isn't too hard, especially if you use counters or you think about multiplication. I'll talk about that later. But 15 divided by 5 equals 3. 15 divided by 5 equals 3. It's a beginning. It's going to be tricky at first, perhaps, but just keep thinking about it. Use those manipulatives if you have some, and keep practicing. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.